Hi, thanks for watching this Amherst alarm tutorial video. My name is Joe, and today we'll be reviewing how to change the batteries in your DMP-1121-W PIR motion detector. Before you get started, make sure you call Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center to let them know you'll be changing the batteries in your device, as this will cause a tamper alarm to appear on your panel and send an alarm to Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center. Let's get started. This is a DMP-1121-W PIR motion detector. It takes one 3-volt CR123A lithium battery. To get started, you're going to want to take a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the Phillips at the top. Then you should be able to just pull it away. You'll see the battery right here in the middle of the device. You can just gently pull it out. To put the battery back in, you'll want to follow the indications on the device showing which way the battery should face, and then you can just gently put it in. Then you'll want to make sure the hinges of your cover line up with the bottom of the device. If it shows any resistance going in, it means one of your hinges isn't aligned properly. So just pull it back out, slide it, and it should close together nicely with no force. Then you're just going to want to screw it back together. When you're done screwing it together, that's it. If you have any questions, please call 716-632-4600. Thanks for watching this tutorial video.